Before you start affiliate marketing, it's important that you plan ahead to maximize your chances of success. So in this video, I'm going to go over the checklist I use to make sure I know exactly what I'm going to be doing and the method I take to make sure I know how much I could be getting paid as well. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing on your list is going to be knowing your platform. What platform do you want to promote on? Is this going to be social media, websites, forums, or something else that you have in mind? The main one I use is websites. A lot of people use social media and make a lot of money off of there as well. So whatever platform you use, just know which one you're gonna do before you even start affiliate marketing. The second thing on our list is going to be your niche. Your niche is basically your category or what topic you wanna be in. This can be gaming, cameras, tech, it can be anything of the sort, cooking, whatever your niche in, just know before you start. The third thing on our list is going to be knowing your research tools. The more data you have on your topic, the better it will be for you to get your content or know exactly how many searches per month your content gets. So it's very important to make sure you have the right research tools. You don't want to go in blindly and just be guessing through the whole process. Number 4 is going to be your content. It's very important to make your content as well, especially if you're using websites, which is my favorite. I always use websites most of the time when I do affiliate marketing. It's important to have different blog posts and know what content your audience is searching for. This is very important. We'll go over this later. And last but not least, my favorite, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be yours too, is going to be how you're going to monetize, meaning how will you be getting paid. Most of the time, this is going to be through affiliate programs. This can also be through AdSense or, courses or ebooks, whatever you have, but most of the time it's affiliate programs. We'll go through a couple if you don't know any. And that right there is the 5 different things I have before I start affiliate marketing. We're going to go through each one so you can make sure you have a decent understanding of everything on here. Okay, so diving deeper into your platform. The main ones are forums, websites, and social media. Forums, if you want to go through this route, you can also use Facebook groups. Forums and Facebook groups go hand in hand. Forums is like Quora and Yahoo Answers and all that type of stuff where you go in and you answer like a certain, let's say someone is asking a question about what's the best gym shoes, to wear to gym or something. And you come in and be like, these are some great gym shoes that I found on Amazon, and that's your affiliate link right there answering their question. And they click on your link and they go to your link and they purchase the product from Amazon or wherever you were sending them to. You just got paid from them. So the way this works is basically you answer questions, in Facebook groups and forums, and your link will be there forever. So let's say 30,000 people see your answer and like 1,000 of them click on it and 100 of them, buy something off your link. Then you'll be getting a split commission for the 100 people that bought something. This is basically the way Facebook and forum groups work. The next one is going to be my favorite. Websites. The way websites work is you create a brand new website around a topic. Let's say our topic is gaming chairs. If our topic is gaming chairs, all our content, all our keywords, everything about the website is going to be about gaming chairs. So let's say I make an article about what is the best brand of gaming chairs, and I answered that, and when somebody type that in Google and they search it up and they click on my article and I have my affiliate link in there and they click on it and buy some off of Amazon or wherever I had them linking to buy the gaming chair, I will get a split commission of that sale, because without me, they wouldn't have had that customer. So for websites, what you pretty much do is make 30 to 50 blog posts on your websites and just let it sit. Because once you do all the work, 30 to 50 blog posts, you just can let it sit. And over time, Google will put you in their search results, and this probably takes around 8 to 12 months before you in there after you do all the work. And your website will be in there. And hopefully, if you did everything right, it's search engine optimized, you'll be on page 1 of Google getting the most clicks. And last but not least is going to be social media. Social media is a great way to do affiliate marketing as well. It takes a while, it's kind of unpredictable, but once you grow up an audience, it can be very beneficial. Let's say you have an audience of 100,000 people and you make just a post, and off that post 500 people go and buy something off of that. You get, let's say you were getting like $3 per commission. You just made $1,500 off that one post. That's why affiliate marketing and growing a social media following can be really great. Okay, next is going to be your niche / keywords. Your niche, like I said, is basically just a category. So anything can fit inside of a category. Cooking is a category. Technology is a category. Cameras is a category. And there's subcategories too. Let's say you don't want to go as broad as technology. Like I just say, you can go to like cameras or you can go to computers. There's a lot of stuff in the technology category. Same as cooking. It's a lot of different things in cooking, like spoons, oven mitts, and a lot of different stuff in a cooking niche. I don't know much about cooking. I don't cook much, but it's, you know, it's a lot of different products in the cooking niche. Blenders, you know, blenders, toasters, it's a lot of different things in that niche. It doesn't have to be these two niches. It can be anything that you can think of, from unicorns to roller coasters. Whatever niche you want to pick, you can make a website about it, have it on the internet, and I'm pretty sure other people will search that up in Google. But you want to make sure when you have your niche that you don't want to go off topic. So let's say, for instance, I did pick cameras as my niche. If my niche is cameras, I shouldn't be talking about gaming chairs or glasses on there or anything of the sort. I should be talking about cameras. I can talk about camera lenses. I can talk about anything related to cameras, but if I'm going off topic, then Google will get confused and your website will not rank as fast. One thing I do when I don't know what niche, category, or how to find my next keyword when I'm doing affiliate marketing, I just go to Amazon.com and just search up different products on there. They have a lot of products on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you know that. Everybody knows how many products Amazon has. So what you want to do is just go to Amazon, just go to their website and be like, this looks nice. This product right here, let's say you click on just a random product and be like, you know what, I like this blender right here. So after you find a product, like you know, let's go with the blender, and say, you know, I want to make a website about Blender. You know, you get your website, you know, you call it like blendersrage.com and have your website all about blenders. This right here is a good example of what you can do. You can do this with pretty much any products. You can do this with chairs, you can do this with printers, you can do this with computers, whatever product you want to choose. You can do this with pretty much any of them. Okay, now on to number 3, research tools. Research tools is so important that a lot of people skip out on, and you do not want to do this. This makes or breaks your success when it comes to affiliate marketing. So let's go over some good research tools I use all the time. The first one is going to be Keywords Everywhere. I love this research tools, and let me show you why. Okay, on the right hand side or left hand, whatever side it is, you see all this data over here. Trend data for skillets. Find long tail keywords for skillets. My keyword I searched up here in Google is skillets, as you can see, and it shows me how difficult it will be to rank in Google for skillets, how many searches it get per month. So it shows you a lot of different data, and if you scroll down even more, it shows you related keywords, trending keywords. People also search for, you know, the long tail keywords down here. So it shows a lot of different data over here. And you know, the trending keywords and related keywords is self-explanatory. You know, this just shows over time. And SEO difficulty means search engine optimized difficulty. This means they show how hard it would be to show up in Google if you went for this keyword. 66 out of 100. But usually I don't really look at SEO difficulty for Keywords Everywhere. I just use the other information down here. I have another tool that's better at tracking how difficult it would be to show up in Google, and that tool is Mozbar. Mozbar is another great research tool that you need, and let me show you why. But first, if you don't know how to get Mozbar, all you have to do is come over to the Chrome web store and just, you know, search up Mozbar on here. It's really easy to find, and it's free, of course, so you know you can just download it and be right on your way to get this tool. Okay, so this is how it looks with Mozbar tool on. As you can see, there's a new thing right under all of the websites on Google, and this right here is the PA and the DA. Don't worry about the PA, but worry about the DA. The DA is domain authority. This right here shows you how hard it would be if you made a brand new website on Google, how hard it would be to show up. And what you want to look for when you're doing this is a domain authority right here with the numbers less than 25. If it's up, you can go up to 30 if you love that keyword. If you really like that keyword and it's really worth it to you, you can go up to 30, but my main thing is I stay 25 or below. And the reason being, big names like New York Mag and Skillet's Restaurant, well, that's not a big one, but Bed Bath & Beyond, it's going to be hard to kick them out of the top page. And if it's just all high authorities, then you're not getting in the first page of Google with a brand new website. So like skilletsrestaurant.com, DA30, like if you love this keyword, like you just love this keyword, you love, you know, you want to make some topics about it, you're passionate about skillets, then sure, you can make a, you know, you can make a website about skillets, and it will take you a little longer to, you know, show up in the first page of Google. But the thing is, if one page with a low DA authority can show up in Google, then yours can too. So you just need one website to be 25 or below, or 30, you know, if you like the keyword. And by far my favorite research tool is going to be SEMrush.com. It's a great online tool. and it only gives a 2-week free trial, and it costs like $200 per month. I know that's a lot of money, but they have a lot of stuff on their free plan too, so when it runs you can cancel it, so make sure you cancel it beforehand if you don't want to, you know, upgrade to the $200 per month version, because they still offer a lot of great things on their free plan. Like right here, you can just go in and let's say you wanted to type in a competitor's website, you know, to see what keywords and everything else they're doing, so you can, you know, kind of copy not their content and everything, but to copy the keywords that they're going after. All you have to do is come over to organic research, come up to enter domain URL or keyword, and the domain, let's go to our skillet keyword again, and let's come to, you know, skilletsrestaurant.com and copy this link over here. And once we copy their link, let's paste that in and search it up. And as you can see, we can see all the keywords that they search for. It's kind of limited. You only can see like 10. You know, you got to upgrade to pro, but that's still a decent amount to see what they're ranking for, so we can target as well. It shows you the volume, the KD, which is the keyword difficulty, how hard it would be. Green is obviously going to be easier, you know, and then 82 is going to be hard. So just take that in note. But these 3 keyword research tools are some of my favorite, and you definitely need to be using them as well. Okay, next up is time to get your content ideas. And a great free way that you can get your content ideas is by going to googlekeywordplanner.com. You're probably going to have to sign up, but once you sign up, you're going to be at this screen. Just hit go to the keyword planner. And once you hit that, you're going to see discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. You're going to want to click on discover new keywords. And whatever your keyword is, you're going to want to put it right here. So before you do that though, I want to give you a quick tip. I'm going to put in best skillets instead of just skillets for my keyword. Whatever your keyword is, I suggest put it in best or top 10 reviews, something that has buyer intent. If you just put in regular skillets into Google, I have no idea what they're trying to do. Do they want to see a picture of a skillet? Do they want to just read about some different skillets? I have no idea what they're doing. But if they're putting in best skillet, top 10 skillets, anything like that, they're ready to buy something. They're looking to buy the best skillet, you know, they trying to compare, you know, review different skillets. So put in whatever keyword, so put in, you know, buyer intent, and then whatever your keyword is. So for me, it's best skillet. Hit enter and then hit get results. And as you can see, best skillet has a volume of 2,900. The thing is, whatever your keyword is, you're gonna wanna have it at least 1,000 volume or above. If it's below 1,000, you're probably not going to get many affiliate link clicks because no one's searching for it enough, you know. So you want to make sure it's at least 1,000 people searching per month. So the only thing you want to look at over here too as well is just volume. CPC, the competition, the trend, all this you don't need to worry about. The only thing that you need to worry about is volume. And if you have keywords everywhere, you're going to see the exact volume. But if you just have regular Google keyword planner, they just show you an estimate, you know, of how many searches of 10 through 100,000 or 1K through 10K. So that's why having keywords everywhere is a great tool to have for this. So the way you're going to get your content ideas over here is, of course, you're going to be writing an article about the best skillet. But the other things you can do now is look through anything that's related to skillets. So like best cast iron skillet, you can write a blog about that. 14,000 people, that's a lot of people. Best frying pan, that's another article idea. Anything that has best and related to your keyword, you can write a blog about it. So just take note, put it in a Google sheet or whatever you need to do with it, and know that you can write a blog about it. And this right here is a great way to get a bunch of different blog topics. All right, last but not least, we've made it to my favorite, and that right there is monetization, which means getting paid. There's a few different ways that you can get paid. The first way is going to be through affiliate programs, which I'm gonna go over a few that's, you know, the most popular that you can get signed up with very easily. The second way is through courses. If you know how to do courses, you can do ebooks as well. You can do AdSense if you know how to set up like Google AdSense, or you have any other ad companies that you want to set up with. But the main way that people use is affiliate programs, so let's go through a couple. The first one that, you know, everybody heard about, and the one that works out great, especially if you want to use their products, is going to be Amazon Associates. Anybody can sign up with it. It's really easy to sign up. Just come to AmazonAssociates.com. I guarantee you there's a 99% chance they're gonna let you sign up with them. They don't turn many people away. So just come here and sign up for it. It's a great program for beginners. Once you sign up for it, you can promote any products on their website, any. So if you're in the gaming niche or the car niche, whatever niche you in, you know, Amazon has products for them. That's why I love them so much. They have a great variety of products, whatever niche you're in. So come over to AmazonAssociates.com and sign up. The second affiliate program is very popular as well. I'm sure you've heard of it, and that's Walmart affiliate program. It's really easy to sign up with them the same way. Once you sign up, you can promote all their products on their website. So just come over to WalmartAffiliate.com, hit sign up, and they'll walk you through a process. It's really simple. It's basically just signing up for, you know, anything else that you sign up for. You just put in a little information and boom, you're in like that. So come over to WalmartAffiliateProgram.com and sign up. And another great one I use is Impact.com. Impact has a lot of different brands on here. They just, you know, they're not like Amazon or Walmart. They have a lot of different brands on here like BuzzFeed, Shopify, Uber, McAfee, whatever way you pronounce that. They even have Walmart on here. They have a lot of well-known brands that you can partner with, and the thing is, you just sign up with them, and then once you sign up with them, they're gonna take you through a whole dashboard of different brands that you can sign up with. So just come over to Impact.com. You can sign up with them. They're a really great affiliate program, and they don't turn many people down as well, so it's great for beginners. And the last way, let's say you're in a weird niche that don't, you know, have like physical products or something, like, you know, editing services or anything like of the sort, or web hosting, and you want to sign up for their affiliate program or wonder if they have one. It's really easy to see if the company that you want to promote has an affiliate program. And what I'm in a lot, I do a lot of web hosting and, you know, websites, so I know a lot of different web hosting companies like SiteGround and Bluehost and NameHero. They all have amazing affiliate programs if you like web hosting. They pay a decent penny too, and they pretty much accept anybody as well. So the main way you want to see if a company has an affiliate program is just going to Google and searching up your company name and just putting in affiliate. Boom. And as you can see, if they have an affiliate program, it will come up. So let's click on web hosting affiliate program NameHero, and just like that, I can apply to their affiliate program, and all I have to do is just search up the company name and to see if they have an affiliate program. It's going to be that easy with you if you have a specific brand that you like and you're in that niche that you want to work with. And that right there is my checklist for affiliate marketing that I have to make sure is in order to make sure I maximize my efforts and my profits as well. I hope this helps you with your start for affiliate marketing, or if you already started, I hope you learned some information here, and good luck in your journey. Till next time.